Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with another tutorial in which we are going to talk about inverse kinematics. So, inverse kinematics, first we have to understand by definition what it means. Inverse kinematic means that if we have this hand moving, if we want to move this hand or if we want to move this the foot of the character, so it will calculate that which and how much the body parts need to move. For example, if you're moving hand, it means that at some angle your arm needs to move, your forearm needs to move, and some percentage of your shoulder needs to move and at which angle. So this is all the study of inverse kinematics, that it calculates by the child object that how the parent objects are going to move and how much are they going to move. In contrast to that, forward kinematics is different. It calculates in the forward direction, that if the shoulder is moving, then how the child objects are going to move with the change in the shoulder object. So this is a little bit about the definition of forward kinematics and inverse kinematics. Now let's see that how inverse kinematics works in Unity. Okay, so already I have opened a project in which I have configured third person controller and it's moving through the joystick. Now what I have to do is I want to implement inverse kinematics in it. So let's directly start with the script. Here's the third person controller and let me attach another script with it. Let's name it IK control. Okay, here we go. First of all, we need to have some public variables like game object. Let's name it as target. Then let's have another game object, uh, target to look at. Public avatar IK goal. Okay, let's name it goal. Okay, so I have to tell you about this particular class, that what it means. Avatar IK goal is basically an enum, and it basically refers to four things, that is right hand and left hand, right leg, right foot, and left foot. So these are the four uh, elements of avatar IK goal. So whenever you are writing anything related to avatar IK goal, you can only access these body parts through it. Start method. And then the function on which we have to mainly work is the callback method, that is on animator IK. If we have to also declare here a public bool variable, that is IK active. If IK active, then following things are going to happen. Let's also have this public animator. Animator dot set IK position weight. We have to take the parameter goal and we have to set the value 1. Now the value ranges between 0 to 1. Set set IK position. That is what we have to do here now. We have to set the goal. Goal is the parameter that's being passed, and target dot transform dot position. Okay, this is the simplest code possible for implementing IK. Now first just let's play it and see what happens. Okay, so here we have a target object. Firstly, you have to select that which body part are you trying to move. Let's by default here the left foot is selected. We let's say that we have right hand, and the target object, let's create a, a cube in here. For clarity, I'm not selecting an empty object, and let's size it as 0.2. Okay, it's here, and let's pass this cube in the target object. It's just to show you guys that how actually IQ works. This is cube, and target to look at, we are going to discuss this later. And animator, third person controller, animator will be passed here. Okay, here we go, apply all. And now let's just play our game. Zoom it out a little, and right now our IK is not active, and if we make it active, you see that immediately the hand position is changed. Now, as we move the object, accordingly, the hand is moving. So this is how actually the inverse kinematic works. And this is a very simple script for inverse kinematics. Through this line of code, we are actually telling that how much the value this 1, actually the value ranges from 0 to 1. This value tells that how much the object should follow the position of the referred object. And then this is the set IK position where we have to select the avatar IK goal. And here we have passed the position of another object according to which the goal is moving. So that's it. And then there is another functionality available in here. Let's also work with that. That is animator dot that is animator dot set look at position, and in here we are going to pass the location of the object that we wish our character to look at, and the parameters for this is simply, so let's pass this target to look at dot transform dot position, call it. And again, we are also going to set the weight, animator dot set look at weight. Again, here you have to here the value ranges from 0 to 1, and we are going to pass 1. Okay. Now let's say that in our inspector we are passing the same cube because we wish that our player looks at the cube. So let's just pass cube here as well. And now we are going to see the impact. Okay, it's not working right now. The reason is that we did not check this IK active. See, as we made it active, immediately the hand position is changed, and now you can see the character is also looking at the cube. So guys, this is a little tutorial on inverse kinematics. If you have any questions, do not hesitate in asking it in the comment section. That's it. Please like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.